Clear. Alrighty, everybody. Welcome aboard. We got a cool flight today. I'm headed from Denver Centennial down to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Dropped off my client earlier this week. I'm going back to pick him up, and I'm going to be there a day early to go see some family. Go see my dad, especially. And then we'll fly back to Denver tomorrow morning. And in a brand new SR22 Turbo G6, so we got all the nice Perspective Plus avionics here. Looks like we have quite a bit of cloud cover to deal with today, so we'll be getting, hopefully we'll get some IMC and not too much icing conditions. I got about a 3-hour flight time today. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'll be arriving there at nighttime, but I just want to bring you guys along to see what it's like to fly into a Class Bravo airport. It's just a small single-engine plane. So enjoy the video. And Centennial Ground, Cirrus November 779 Romeo Juliet is at Charlie 1 with November IFR, ready to taxi, and I know we're early on edict time.
Alright, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, you want to wait in the run-up area?
Okay, if it's okay with you, you can go to the south run-up area and then we can just launch from there if that's cool with you.
Alright, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, taxi south run-up area via Alpha.
South run-up area via Alpha, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, thanks.
9 Romeo Juliet, you said you do want to do the Alpha 16 intersection?
Oh yeah, I can take Alpha 16 for 9 Romeo Juliet.
Alright. Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, pull up 2, hold short 35 right at Alpha 16.
Hold short 35 right at Alpha 16, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet.
Taxi via Alpha 35 right, 8020 Papa.
For 181, would you like Alpha 16 intersection, or do you need full length?
Full length, please.
181, roger, continue full length. Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, monitor tower, good day.
Monitor tower, 9 Romeo Juliet, good day.
Tower, runway 35 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 35 right, 4 Alpha Tango.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Centennial Tower, flyer runway heading, runway 35 right, clear for takeoff, winds 3404.
Clear for takeoff 35 right, runway heading, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet. Alright, flaps boost pump. Mixture all looks good, lane lights on, projected is clear.
Over 3 Tango Charlie, do you have the traffic in sight? Cherokee heading to your left. Thank you. Number 6010, you have the Cessna ahead of you in sight in the downwind. Thank you. Cessna 8020 Papa, tail tower, run 10 line up and wait, traffic departing.
Line up and wait, 108020 Papa.
104 Alpha Tango, heading on 120, contact Denver departure, good day.
Heading 120 and contact departure, good day.
Alright, gauges in the green, airspeed's alive, looking for 77 knots. 77 rotate.
Tail tower, flush straight out, runway 35 right, clear for takeoff, winds 3504.
181, clear for takeoff, 35 right, 181.
Flaps up 390.
Four 3 Lima, you're following Cessna ahead of you in the downwind over I-25, approaching Lincoln Ave. Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, traffic ahead and to your left and across one Cessna.
Traffic,
Inside.
November 9 Romeo Juliet, remain north of them, turn left heading 290.
Alright, main north of them and 290, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Traffic, 5 o'clock.
9 Romeo Juliet, contact Denver departure.
Departure, good day, 9 Romeo Juliet.
3 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Denver departure, Cirrus, November 779 Romeo Juliet is 290 assigned, climbing through 6,700.
November 779 Romeo Juliet, Denver departure. Radar contact, Denver altimeter 3000, climb maintain 1000.
3000, 9 Romeo Juliet.
November 9 Romeo Juliet, proceed direct to Solar.
Direct solar, 9 Romeo Juliet.
November 9 Romeo Juliet, contact departure 128.45, good day.
12845, good day, 9 Romeo Juliet. Denver departure, Cirrus, November 779 Romeo Juliet is 8.2 for 11, direct solar.
Number 779 Romeo Juliet, Denver departure, roger.
Alright, autopilot nav, flight level change. Wait, we're good to go. Do our climb checklist, a little bumpy. Full power climb, oxygen's not required yet, power level is set. Mixture is full, flaps are up. Airspeed is set, fuel pump is on, boost, fuel flow is good, parameters are in the green. Alright, climb checklist complete, repeater heat coming on. We're going to do our cruise next once we get up to our final altitude.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, contact Denver Center 128.37.
128.37, 9 Romeo Juliet. The Denver Center, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet is 13.5 for 16.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Denver Center. Good afternoon. The Colorado Springs altimeter 3002.
3002, 9 Romeo Juliet, good afternoon.
Or 9 Romeo Juliet, are you able 17,000 for minimum IR altitude along your route of flight?
Affirmative.
Or 779 Romeo Juliet, roger, expect that in 2 minutes.
9 Romeo Juliet, roger.
Southwest 863, same Mach number. Southwest 863, roger, maintain Mach point 80 or greater, if unable, advise. Or 779 Romeo Juliet, climb maintain 17,000.
17,000, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Or 834 Alpha Tango, Denver Center. 834 Alpha Tango, Denver Center, good afternoon. The Lyman altimeter 3001. Thanks.
Alrighty, welcome back, guys. It's about 2 hours later. About
113, cross shock
20 minutes outside Centennial, or out of Phoenix. Just sitting at 12,000 feet.
Shock 1,250 on the speed.
Just getting ready for the descent, or I'm actually descending to 11,000 feet. Just getting ready to come down.
Out of service. Multiple cranes in the vicinity of the airport. Bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. North and south tower frequency combined 120.9er. Read my code short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Alpha.
November 9 Romeo Juliet, contact Phoenix approach on 120.7, good day.
120.7, good day, 9 Romeo Juliet.
75, vector to final and speed your discretion.
175 on the heading to 113.
Number 2, Mike, does that maintain 7,000.
Send down to 7,000 to my Mike.
Phoenix approach, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, level at 11,000.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Phoenix approach, Phoenix altimeter 3007, advise name sky formation Alpha, expect a visual approach, runway 25 left.
We expect visual 25 left, and we have Alpha, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, flighting 180, does that maintain 7,000.
180 down to 7,000, now Romeo Juliet.
Jet 113, Scottsdale Airport, 12 to 1 o'clock and 16 miles, advising at the airport in sight. Jet 113,
all right.
maintain 6,000.
So we got to expect the visual to 25 left, so the new perspective plus you can actually
113,
load up.
You said you do have the airport in sight.
Load up the visual approach here.
113, cleared
I'm
visual,
going to load
approach runway 21.
visual 25 left. And we're getting vectors, so we're going to enter vectors. Minimums are off because I don't need it. Actually, we can't activate the approach now, so let's go and activate vectors to final. That'll clean up our page here.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, flighting 190.
190, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, going to maintain 6,000.
6,000, 9 Romeo Juliet. I'm going to start reducing the power here. I'm getting a little close to yellow arc. It's still smooth there, but don't be careful there. I'm doing about 193 knots over the ground, so trying to keep up the speed coming into Class Bravo airports. The nice thing about the G5 and G6 Cirrus is the first notch of flaps, 50% is 150 knot extension speed, so I can fly really fast approaches at 50% to keep spacing adequate to help TRACON and flow out into an airport with big airliners. Alrighty, let's do a 4-lane checklist. Seatbelts are good, fuel pumps on boost, mixture is rich, flaps are as required, autopilot as required, 4-lane checklist complete.
Banana Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 170, Conic Phoenix approach 123.7.
123.7 and say heading aim please.
Banana Romeo Juliet, left turn heading 170.
170, thank you, now Romeo Juliet, good night.
Number 13 Delta, leaving Phoenix Bravo airspace, maintain VFR at or below 4,000.
Left. Cleared for the visual, 30 left, 2 Victor Papa.
Key 734, contact Gateway Tower, 120.6.
Phoenix approach, Cirrus, number 779 Romeo Juliet at 6,000, 170 sign.
Number 779 Romeo Juliet, Phoenix approach, roger. Number 9 Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 060.
060, now Romeo Juliet.
Number 9 Romeo Juliet, connect approach on 120.4.
120.4, now Romeo Juliet.
American 441, 150 to 5, towers 120.9, good night.
20.9 will give you speed, 441.
American 494, continue right there, heading 120.
Heading 120, American 494.
Departure, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet with you, 5,000.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Phoenix, good evening, spectrum runway 25 left, caution way turbulence fogging A321 from the north.
Alright, we'll expect visual 25 left, thanks, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Cirrus 5 Romeo Juliet, you're following traffic 11 o'clock, 10 miles, turning southwestbound, American A321, 4,000.
Traffic in sight for 9 Romeo Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, thanks, you can plan to follow them, caution way turbulence, base turn here in about 3 miles.
9 Romeo Juliet, roger.
Southwest 1041, so maintain 5,000.
5,000, that's 1041.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 360.
360, 9 Romeo Juliet.
And Romeo Juliet, set to maintain 4,000.
4,000, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Southwest 1041, turn right heading 120.
Heading 120, south 1041.
American 779, set to maintain 5,000.
At a 7 for 5, American 779.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 300, correction make 290, follow the Airbus, clear visual approach, runway 25 left.
290, clear for the visual 25 left, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet, thanks, follow the Airbus.
Follow the Airbus, 9 Romeo Juliet.
1 Golf Juliet, change of plans, turn 10 degrees right, you're following traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, Southwest Boeing 5,000.
Alright, 10 degrees to the right, and we've got traffic inside 1 Golf Juliet.
Southwest 1041, turn right heading 190, to set to maintain 4,000.
4,090, heading field side 1041.
1041, thank you. American 779, reduce speed to 170.
Little 170, American 779.
9 Romeo Juliet, maintain 150 knots to a 5-mile final, tower 120.9, good day.
150 to 5, order tower, 9 Romeo Juliet.
Very.
American 1017, turn right on Foxtrot, hold short runway 25 right at Foxtrot 8.
Foxtrot 25 right, Foxtrot 8, American Cincinnati.
Phoenix Tower, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, visual 25 left.
Southwest 6421, wind 2204, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 25 right, Southwest 6421.
Victor, Tango Mike 9987, caution, wake turbines, runway 25 right, line up way.
Tango Mike 9910, line up away, runway 25 right.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Phoenix Tower, phone on Airbus 321, caution, wake turbulence, wind 2204, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, Cirrus 9 Romeo Juliet.
9 Romeo Juliet, thanks, where do you park?
Going to Cutter.
Roger. American 494, turn right on Foxtrot.
Right on Fox, American 494.
Southwest 286, stand by. American 494, hold short, runway 25 right at Foxtrot 8.
Hold short 25 right at Foxtrot 8, American 494.
American 441 via Foxtrot 9 cross runway 25 right, taxi via the north route.
Across 25 right, north route, American 441.
American 494, turn left at Foxtrot 6, cross runway 25 right, taxi Echo north route.
Cross 25 right at Foxtrot 6 and north route, American 494.
There's Snyder Romeo Juliet, turn left off the runway, turn right on hotel, contact ground 132.55.
Left and then right, then over to 3255 now, Roger, thanks.
Phoenix Tower, American 779, approximately 8 miles out, 25 left.
Southwest 286, contact departure.
Cirrus SR22T
American 779, Phoenix Tower.
Finish ground, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, Hotel 4, Hotel 2, Cutter.
Number 779 Romeo Juliet, finish ground, taxi hotel to the ramp.
Hotel and ramp, I roger that. Alrighty everybody, welcome to Phoenix. Hope you enjoyed that video. It was cool coming into Bravo Airport at night behind or in front of all these jets. So hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.